we doing here? Tomorrow! Your madam is not a smile. Where she did? Where your madam?
What's the carry from shop? This see, get big cheese with the crown now. Big one. You get one job. Yeah, one meter. I tell you, I don't get job. This thing. I mean, leave that matter. See, there's a huge job in town. Big one, oh, salon, big salon. They pay well, say 50,000, 100,000, 200,000. And the worst part is, see, fine boys they come and sugar daddies them. If they eye one when they make it. Where be the location? Where be the good? I don't apply you both. I don't forget. I will remember the location, but I want you to apply. See you. Today apply. So tomorrow you go start work. As it dey like this now, people they watch that place. So I think I can't ask my friends. So me and you go don't understand. I don't apply already. I don't even start work as thing like this. When are we going? Tomorrow. Leave this. This not be work. What time? In the morning, we even reach there before they go open their shop. No problem now. Tomorrow I will call you. Oh yeah, no problem. Okay. Tomorrow. It's like a propos. Be like saying now true she talk. Oh yeah, they pay me 50. That 50K, eh? I need them. I go call her. Good afternoon, sir. This is my friend Olivia. I brought her to see her concerning the job. You know, since I've already applied, I felt maybe it would be a very nice idea to so that I can assist you.
What was the name?
Olivia, Jennifer, sir. Jennifer.
Have we done this kind of work before?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
You know what happened? Come tomorrow morning to the office, so I have to test you and know.
She's good. She can get.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
sir.
Mr. Man, what's the name?
Huh? You mean my name?
Yes.
Isaac Organa.
Your full name?